Hi, this is John here at Showcase TV, and in this segment we're going to talk about the assembly of the ProMaster Softbox. Now the ProMaster Softbox is the unit which typically comes with the P180 or the P300 electronic flash units from our friends at ProMaster. Now, when you open up the kit, there'll be several pieces to the softbox. There'll be the cover, which is this piece. There'll be a front panel, which is the white piece. There'll be 4 metal rods, and there'll be a mounting ring along with a white diffuser. So here's the way this thing goes together. You begin by laying the box itself as flat as possible. You'll notice that they have little tabs on the corner, and the little tabs are designed to take one end of these mounting rods like so. You also notice that one tab has an overflap. So the overflap is going to be the last one that we're going to assemble. So let's go ahead. I put the first one in. Let's slide the second rod in. And it does not matter which end of the rod goes in. They're both the same on the end. So once I've got those assembled, I want to then take the ring. The ring has holes where I want to mount the rods. So the thing to remember is that everything behind the hole goes out the back of the box. So you would not put it in this fashion, but rather you'd lay it in like this. So what I like to do is lay the box out and then get the rod started. So that slides in like so. Of course, you need to make sure it doesn't pop out on the other side. I want to bring this rod in, then I want to bring the third rod in like so. And I should tell you that the rods do bend, and you shouldn't be too concerned with that. They will bend, and as you can see, I'm going to bring them up in this general position. Again, the rods do bend, so don't be concerned with the bending of the rods. If you're, for example, a woman might have a little more difficulty with this, as it does require a fair amount of physical strength. The rods do bend. But if you will get an assistant or helper, I'm sure you won't have any trouble putting these together. I want to make sure that I've got the box outside of these little retaining knobs that you can see. See how easy this goes together? Like that. Okay? So again, the deal is put the rod in the corner loop, fold it over, then bend it into the center loop. Some people find it's easier to put it into the mounting ring and then bring it up and fold over the tab. So that's that part of the box. The next part of the assembly involves taking the diffusion screen and mounting it to the little elastics tabs inside the box. And this box happens to be a rectangle, so of course I want the short ends over here to correspond with the short end. Boom, boom, that one's in. Then come over here, same thing. Boom. Boom. So now I have the diffuser in place, and that gives it a very, very nice soft light once we're set up. Now the last step on the box is putting in, once again, the rectangle, putting in the front diffusion panel. It goes in like so to the corners. Along the edge here there is a Velcro closure, so you can close it up. Bring this one over and then bring over the last corner. Boom. And there's your ProMaster light box fully assembled. Now the way this light box mounts to the light, I want to come to the back side. I have to expose the mounting screws. So you can see these screws on the back side. Just fold this over like so. Boom. And last but not least, boom. So now I have 4 retaining bolts. So I loosen those all the way up, and then we'll go ahead and put the box on this ProMaster light. And again, the process is very, very simple. All we're doing is bringing the light up, slide the ring on, tighten up the screws. Now I've mounted in the vertical position. If I want to go horizontal with it, all I would do is turn the box horizontally, and now you have the light box mounted as it should look.